Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Google Maps and entering both your start and destination so the app calculates your route. Once the route appears, tap Directions, then tap the menu or the Search Along Route option. This attaches searches to the path. You do this because regular searches only show nearby results, not ones aligned to your course. Make sure the selected route is the one you plan to take before searching, since results follow the chosen path. Once done choosing Search Along Route, tap the search bar and pick a category or type a query like gas or coffee. Google filters results to locations that sit along or a short detour from your route. Use filters, Open Now, Rating, Distance, to narrow results to what matters. You should also zoom and pan the map to visually inspect stop locations. This helps you estimate how much time each detour adds. If a stop looks out of the way, try another result. When you find a suitable place along the route, tap it and choose Add Stop to insert it in order. Repeat for multiple stops. Once added, review the sequence, drag to reorder if needed, or remove any stop that creates a long detour. Then tap Start to begin navigation with stops included. If results don't appear or stops vanish, make sure location services are on, update the app, and retry the Search Along Route option. These fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.